Hi, my name is Andret and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a holistic therapist, a beauty therapist, and my first passion is skincare. Today's video I'm going to talk about, in my opinion, the best eye cream and the best eye mask, and they're both got that secret ingredient of retinol. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm back guys with the headband on, so you know what that means. I'm applying the products. So I'm going to apply RoC Retinol Correction Eye Cream on this eye while I talk about it. So a pea-sized amount for both eyes, but I'm only going to do this one eye because the other eye I'm going to apply the eye mask and talk about that. So always apply with your ring finger under here in an upward motion, and the orbital area, just make sure you're above the crease of your eye. So the texture is like a gel cream texture, very light texture, non-greasy, perfect under makeup for makeup wearers, which I am definitely one of them. It's hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested. So what is the eye concerns that it addresses? So it addresses dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, and puffiness. Now, I have been using this for 10 months and I would definitely say it's made a huge improvement in my eye area. I would definitely say I have seen a bit of a reduction in dark circles, but mainly to do with what I'm bothered about most, because sorry guys, if you're watching, I can cover up the dark circles with concealer, but you can't really cover up fine lines and wrinkles that much, can you? Or puffiness. So I would definitely say its strengths are more so for fine lines and wrinkles and puffiness. Let's talk about the moisturising ingredients in RoC Retinol Correction Eye Cream. So we have Glycerin, which is a powerful moisturiser and a great humectant. We also have Panthenol, vitamin B5, which is also a great moisturiser, and it's also great for skin firmness and elasticity. So our superstar anti-aging fighting ingredients are retinol, which accelerates the cell turnover, which, as we know, our skin regenerates much slower as we get older. So that's to fight the fine lines and wrinkles. Also, retinol is good for age spots, pigmentation. And then within the mineral complex, we have copper gluconate, which is for collagen synthesis and skin regeneration. We have magnesium aspartate, which is an antioxidant. And then we have zinc gluconate, which is also very healing, very soothing, calms down the skin, but also boosts collagen and elastin production, therefore reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So it's a very powerful, potent, but gentle eye cream at the same time. The claims are within 4 weeks it's going to brighten and depuff the eye area, and you're going to look 10 years younger. Now, that's the question I have for you guys. Do you think I look 10 years younger using this eye cream? Let me know in the comments. And so you know, I'm 51 and I'm trying to age gracefully. 0.5 fluid ounce, and the price has went up. It's $27.99 now. So I suppose it's a small price to pay. This actually lasts me for 2 months. So I would definitely recommend it. This is definitely my holy grail. I'm very fussy about eye creams. I haven't found many, I've went through many eye creams, like in experimentation. So as I say, let me know in the comments. I don't have any crow's feet yet, and I only have 2 or 3 lines. I don't have any new ones. And actually, when I come to think of it, I've been using this 10 months continuously, AM and PM, morning and night. And the only difference is what I use on weekend nights, which I'm now going to show you. Okay, so now we've covered the eye cream, let's get on to the weekend eye, because the eye cream I use AM and PM, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday morning, but on a Saturday and a Sunday night, I use this, which is from Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. Do not layer another eye cream with this. This is only for use on its own. You can use it as an eye mask for overnight for sleeping, or you can use it as an actual eye cream. Now this comes 0.5 fluid ounce, and this one is $42. Yes, I know. This one is much more expensive, but I use it as an eye sleeping mask at the weekend, so for me it's okay. This eye cream is for just the same as the RoC Retinol one. It's good for puffy eyes, dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles. What does it claim to do? So it claims to depuff, brighten, for fine lines, and also for moisturising. Okay, so this one, the texture is different. This one is rich and creamy. It comes with a little spoon, like so. Glow Recipe Avocado Sleeping Mask. How is this different? I would definitely say, well, I'm going to go over the ingredients, but the texture is more rich and creamy. So this would suit somebody who's really got dry skin. And also it has a slight scent. It's got a nice fresh calming scent. So let me just apply and show you. So this one, let's cover the ingredients. So we have avocado, which contains vitamin E and vitamin C. So this is very soothing for the eye area, very moisturising. It reduces wrinkles because we have the vitamin C content. Vitamin E, as we know, is anti-inflammatory, healing for the skin. And then we have encapsulated retinol. So encapsulated retinol, what that means is it's released slowly over time, so it's more gentle on the eye area. And it's for firming, rejuvenating, you know, fighting fine lines and wrinkles, and for the cell turnover, to speed the cell turnover. And then we have niacinamide, which is antioxidant. It brightens, helps reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. Dullness is for the dullness, so it's to brighten the area, and it's also good for the dark circle. And then we have Coffeeberry, which is a natural source of caffeine, and what that does is it soothes the skin, and it's really good for puffiness and dark circles. So this is an eye mask. I absolutely love it. I've not tried it as an eye cream because I'm really happy with the RoC Retinol correction, but I've always liked to use an eye mask, and I was trying to find, for the life of me, a retinol eye mask, and this is very gentle but also very potent at the same time. So to look 10 years younger, there you go. So this is my holy grail. This is my eye cream, RoC Retinol Correction Eye Cream, and the Glow Recipe Retinol Eye Mask. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It's free and it's just an exchange of energy, a positive one. So until the next time, oh, and remember and comment, do you think 10 years younger? So until the next video, I will say over and out and adios. Bye. Thank you for watching.